Good afternoon, YouTube. So this is one of the newest segments of the San Francisco Bay Trail. They just opened this a month or so ago, and I haven't had a chance to get up here, but as you can see in the distance, you can't see much of anything. It's pretty smoky. They have all the lightning fires burning around the bay. It's pretty bad air quality, but I figured down by the bay you get the wind blowing over the water, and at least I can actually see the other side of the bay there, so it's just moderately bad air quality here. And I figured this would be a good time to come up and check out this new part of the trail. So before, the trail ended here and you had to go down Bay Road here into East Palo Alto, and there used to be a pretty big group of broken down RVs and vans, and all the homeless used to camp along there. So that was a pretty sketchy part of the ride, but now it's about a 1.2 miles up this way, up the bay marshlands, and then you kind of cut back on the north side of East Palo Alto right before the bridge. Right past these towers here, you can probably see the Dumbarton Bridge, so that's where I'm headed. Okay, this is the other end of the trail here. There's probably several hundred yards of this wooden raised walkway to get over the marsh. The paved trail ends just past those transmission towers over there. Yeah, you come across here and then you spin around, and here's kind of the start of the trail, and I think it skirts the right side of these houses here. And then right over here someplace is the on-ramp to Highway 84, and then you go up and over the Dumbarton Bridge, which is just beyond those bushes there. Kind of a long gradual climb. Might be kind of windy up there. I don't know if I can shoot any video. Okay, YouTube, made it over the bridge. Pretty windy over the top there. Real heavy crosswind, and then you got 3 lanes of traffic doing 65 miles an hour right next to you. This is where the bike lane ends on the bridge, and then you come on to this frontage road here. And then you got about another mile down across the bay, and then the trail cuts back kind of along the foothills there. Probably 22 miles or so to ride. At least I'm riding with the wind now, so it'll be a little faster. Pretty close to the bay shore, and I came up upon this old thing. There's a old dredging barge. You can see where they piled up a lot of dirt here along the side of the water. You must use it from time to time to deepen the channels here. Time to head on. It's starting to get late. Okay, YouTube, we're back at the start of the loop here. So this is where you intersect the Bay Trail right here. I went up that way and I came back this way. About 40-mile loop. Took about 4.5 hours. I stopped for 7 geocaches. I found 4. So it's about 18 miles up to that side of the bridge. I think the bridge is about 4 miles, and then it's about 18 miles back down the east shore of the bay. The nice thing is this side is all trail. The problem is the other side is almost all pavement. You're riding along a road. There's more and more trails. I need to do some exploring up that side and learn all the little side trails. They're not very well marked over there, so I've got to study the map, I think. But anyway, time to hit the trail and get home. I've got about 20 minutes or so ride from here. Looks pretty gloomy, but it was warm. It was in the middle 70s most of the day. Pretty good breeze blowing. And I think the air quality this way is pretty bad, but along the bay it wasn't too bad. You can see a couple of miles anyway, so not bad. Looks like a cold winter day, but it's actually middle of summer. Kind of strange. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that ride. I'll cut in a picture with a map so you can see the route that I took. Yeah, this is a neat little ride, 40-mile loop. You go over the San Francisco Bay and back. The nice thing is you don't cross any major streets. You do some pavement, but it's not terribly busy on a weekend. And yeah, there's the San Tomas Aquino Creek Trail, and then that's the Bay Trail. Just down that way is what they call the 237 Bikeway. It doesn't quite go all the way through. There's some pavement and some bike lane. So yeah, lots of little trails out here once you learn which ones connect and how to get to them. So anyway, I got to hit the bike, get home before it gets dark. So yeah, if you have any questions about that, post up in the comment section below. And as always, thanks for watching.